Hello and welcome to the Excel Cave. Today we're going to talk about using the end of month function in Excel to convert random dates into the month end for the month value in those random dates. So for example, here we have a list of customers who are delinquent with their delinquency date throughout the year. And what we'd like to do is, in this column to the right, convert this date to the month-end date of the month we're looking at. So, for example, we'd like to see the month-end of this January 4th delinquency date. So you can do that with the end-of-month function in Excel. And it's a pretty simple formula. You just have to enter your start date, which is our date of delinquency, and then the next input is just how many months you want to go up or down. If you want to look at the same month-end date that you're in, it would just be 0. So to get January, the month-end for January 2018, we would just input 0 here, and that would give us our month-end. And just in other scenarios, if you wanted to go, say, a month in the past, you would just enter a -1 there. And that takes to the month end before the month in question that we're looking at. And if you wanted to go to a month end in the future, you could enter however many months you wanted to go into the future. So we went 3 months into the future with a 3 in that slot there, and that took us to the 3rd month in from the date in question. But what we want to do is use the same month but have the month end as the date we're looking at. So we want a 0 there. So that delivers January 31st, 2018, which is the month end of this date of delinquency here. So when I drag this down, you can see it just gives us the month-end date for all of the dates in the month that we're looking at, whichever one. So now what we'd like to do is just get the number of days delinquent as of the month-end, which is just simply subtracting the month-end that we just calculated with the end of month formula and then subtracting it from the date of delinquency. And now finally we'd just like to do an average if based on the month end date to the left here. So, average if. So our criteria range is going to be the month end. Our criteria is going to be this month here, and our average range is going to be the days delinquent that we just calculated. So for January, we have 26.5, and you can see that's the average of these two numbers. So that's just using the end of month function to convert any random date to its current month end within the same month. Thanks for watching, guys.